Well, we're nearly ready for our trip, right, Rowan?
Yeah.
What have we got left to do?
Just packing our stuff.
That's right, but we're nearly all packed. So we're going to get a good night's sleep, hopefully, right? And tomorrow we'll finish what we need to do, okay? Can you look here? Good night, everyone.
Good night, everybody.
Bye. Where are we going today?
You up?
I'm up. You're not.
We're going to Europe.
We're going to Europe, that's right.
Wait,
What?
we're going to Japan.
And where else?
England.
That's right. Who are you going to see?
Our family.
Perfect. Come on then, let's get up. We've got to get you showered.
Don't do that when I'm done. Well, we're going to Japan for like 8 weeks.
No, actually it's 6 weeks. We're all ready. We're just going to take off now to the airport. Ed's going to take us. We're going to miss him.
Yeah.
Miss you guys too.
We'll do another video once we... Rowan's got his backpack with all his goodies in there. And we'll do another one once we get to the airport. See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye in a couple of hours.
Bye.
Okay, we are like almost halfway, and we're going to Spain, and we're going to the airport, and now Dad is driving us, and we are going to have really fun at the airport. Bye, everybody.
Okay, so we are arriving at the airport in Atlanta and just waiting now so we can park the car. We've got good time. It's approximately
Can we show them of Dad at the airport?
nearly 2 o'clock and our flight is at 5:45, so we've got time. More to follow. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, we are going to Barcelona, and this is the airport. We are going to go to security, and we're going to wait for a plane and everything, and yeah. Okay, we nearly at Pain. The engine is really loud, and we almost at Pain. We're gonna see you. My name is Rowan, and this is the card how we get in. Yeah, the card to get in. This could be fun.